Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this session I am going to discuss one of the most important topic for your examination prelims 2024. As we all know that recently Indonesia plans to relocate 10,000 people after volcanic eruption. So for that reason UPSC may focus on recent active volcanoes of the world. So for that reason I am going to explain the world's active volcanoes which can be important for your examination, that is prelims 2024. So now I am going to discuss top 7 important world's volcanoes which will be important for your prelims examination. So the first active volcano which was there in the news as well, and that was Barren Island. Now Barren Island in which region? Andaman Sea. Clear? In Andaman Sea region. Clear? Now this Barren volcano, basically this is one of the most defining feature of Barren Island, and it is also a part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then the unique status. Now the unique status of this volcano is this is South Asia's only confirmed active volcano. This is South Asia's only confirmed active volcano. Clear? So volcanic chain, so let me tell you that this is also a part of volcanic chain. That means it is a part of volcanic stretch from Sumatra to Myanmar. Clear? Now historical background of this volcano is this was first recorded in 1787. So first recorded eruption in 1787, and since then multiple eruptions took place in this island. So remember this thing, this is India's active volcano and the only one currently active in country. Getting my point? And this is also one of the, remember this thing, confirmed active volcano of South Asia. Now after this, another important active volcano, that is Bartang Island. Now this Bartang Island is also a part of Andaman Island. Remember this thing. Now remember this thing, that the alternative name of this island is called as Ranchiwala's Island. Clear? Now here why this is important, as you can see this picture, mud is there. So this is considered as mud volcano. Clear? So remember this thing, this is also considered as mud volcano and host India's only known mud volcano. So ये सिर्फ इंडिया का सिर्फ only mud volcano है. Clear? That is why Bartang Island is important. Now when we go through the history of eruption, now infrequent eruptions took place and the notable activity that took place in 2005. Clear? Now what are the reasons for the eruption? So it is related to seismic connections. Clear? So 2005 eruptions are thought to be linked with 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, and in 2004 tsunami also took place. Getting my point? And it is said that this is one of the main reason, that Indian Ocean earthquake, that resulted into this volcanic eruption in 2005. Now after this, another volcano is Mount Etna in Italy. Clear? Now Mount Etna in Italy, now what is its significance? Because this is considered as Europe's tallest and most active volcano. Getting my point? Now this is also recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site, and now the structure of this, it comprises an ancient shield volcano as its base. Clear? And the newer Montebello strata volcano was above on that shield. Getting my point? So this is the structure of this volcano as you can see here. And then now the historical background of this volcano is, this is basically notable for one of the longest documented records of eruption, and it is said that it overlooks Catania also. Clear? Now after this volcanic eruption, another volcanic island, or you can say Kilauea. Now Kilauea Island, which is a part of Hawaiian Island in Pacific region. Getting my point? Now this is also considered as active volcano. So an active shield volcano with continuous eruptions. So here eruptions occur at, or you can say in different form of vents or rift zones. Getting my point? So recent event जो यहाँ पर हुआ था वो हुआ था last year, which created a kind of 600 foot deep lava lake. So that has created 600 foot deep lava lake. Clear? Now in this, the most defining feature in this, the formation of caldera. Now the caldera, remember this thing, the summit collapsed to form a caldera approximately of 5 kilometer. Clear? And it is 3.2 kilometer wide. Getting my point? So caldera was created here. Clear? So this eruption formed in the form of caldera. Then notable eruptions of this volcano. So in 1955, Eastern Rift eruption took place, which was marked by severe earthquakes, and this was considered as one of the devastating event. Getting my point? So that is why this Kilauea island or this active volcano is also important. Now remember this thing, from the points of prelims perspective, you should know that the activities and a type of volcano, and another thing is region. Clear? Region is also important. Now another important active volcano in Mauna Loa. Now this is also a part of Hawaiian island and Pacific region. Now remember this thing, this is one of the 5 volcanoes which constitute Hawaiian island. Now this is also very important, and बहुत सारी इसकी याद रखिएगा वीडियोस भी आई थी. क्लियर? जब ये eruption हुआ था. So remember this thing. So recent lava flow, remember this, in 1984 eruption. Now this 1984 eruption, this sent lava towards Hilo. Clear? That Hilo, which is nearby to the city. Clear? So अब इसका size क्या है इस volcano का? So this occupy half of Hawaii island. Clear? Which makes up about 85% of total landmass of Hawaiian archipelago. Clear? Now what is the frequency of its eruption? So the frequency is, it has erupted 33 times since 1843. Clear? That is why, तो अब इसका जो eruption हुआ है काफी साल, like after every 10 years also, clear, after frequent interval also. So it was ranging from months to decade. Clear? Now another important active volcano is Mount Vesuvius. Again, this is a place in Italy. So this Mount Vesuvius is also having active status, and this is the only active volcano in mainland Europe. अब ये point बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िएगा. Clear? Important है आपके prelims के लिए. Clear? Now this volcano actually created a volcanic arc. So this is a part of Campanian volcanic arc. Now what is the historical significance? This is known for catastrophic eruption in 79 AD also, and that buried Pompeii and Herculaneum as well. Getting my point? At that time. Now at that time Roman Empire was there. So recent activities, so the last known eruption occurred in 1944, but the status is active only. Now after this volcano, Mount Merapi. Now this Mount Merapi is a part of Indonesia. Now अब इसकी location क्या है? This is near the borders between Central Java and Yogyakarta. Clear? Central Java and Yogyakarta. Now activity level कैसी है यहाँ पे? So this is considered as Indonesia's most active volcano with regular eruptions since 1548. That means since medieval times. Clear? Regular eruptions took place. Then the frequency of its eruption, it erupts after every 5 years or 6 or to 10 years. So after every 5 to 10 years. That is why this volcano is also having active status. Clear? So these are some active volcanoes of the world. So I hope this must be useful for your prelims examination 2024, because recently Indonesia plans to relocate 10,000 people after volcanic eruption. So UPSC may focus on active volcanoes of the world. So I hope this much is clear to all of you. Thank you so much.